Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to connect your TCL Smart TV with your mobile phone's Bluetooth device. So if you want to connect your mobile phone with your Bluetooth, with your Smart TV's Bluetooth, what you have to do is you can simply go to the top right corner. From here on, you can go to your remote and accessories. And you can go to add accessory. And then it is saying that before pairing your Bluetooth device, make sure that they are in a pairing mode. So on your cell phone, you can simply go to the Bluetooth option and go to the settings. And then on your TCL TV, you can say, okay, that we are in the pairing mode. So on your phone, as you can see, the Android TV is showing up. So you can click on that. And as you can see on my TV, it is saying that my phone, Realme C25, is making sure that the passkey is that. And on my phone, it is also showing that. So I can simply click on pair from either of the device. And now, as you can see, my device is showing up and it is now paired with my Smart TV. So this is how you pair your phone with your TCL Smart TV. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.